Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Perplexity AI for research. So, first thing that you will do is of course go to Perplexity website or perplexity.ai, and from here right away you should be able to see here the homepage of the Perplexity, and you can just simply select research over here. And now it will prompt you to sign in into an account to access the deep research feature that they have. And you can just simply continue with Google, Apple, or your email. So I will continue with my Google and sign in into my account. And now when you prompted to select your plan, just simply continue with free and click on continue. And from here, go for the research. And from here, guys, as you can see, you could just simply research anything. So guys, let's say my research will be this one. What's the safest family vehicle I could buy? So guys, remember, the better the question that you give or the prompt, the better output it will provide. So I could just simply go for the one of the suggestion that they have. And it will take a few minutes to gather sources, analyze data, and create a report. And now guys, after for some time, as you can see, it recommends us some models like Kia, Hyundai, Toyota, and pretty much the specific one is Toyota Sienna and the Chrysler Specifica. And now we will have here the information about the vehicle safety standards, and pretty much this AI will help us choose which one to decide, and pretty much it will give us everything that we want to know. And guys, there you go. See ya.